Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to switch user accounts on your TCL Google TV. Now you can actually use more than one account and switch between different profiles or user accounts. So what you want to do is from the home screen, just go to the menu at the top there and then move to the left where you see it shows your profile image. Select that and that is going to give you this page from where you can switch to a different user account. So for instance, if I want to switch to this one, all I have to do is select it. And as you can see from the profile pic in the top left corner, I'm now on a different Google account or user account on this Google TV. Alternatively, you can scroll to the right until you get to the settings wheel icon and then press right again, select that profile icon, and once again it gives you this opportunity to choose a different user account. So you can have even a children's account like this one, for instance, that you can launch. If you have kids, you can just switch them to a kids user account. That's basically how to switch user accounts on your TCL Google TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.